guys, it's Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk.
Hey guys, Eddie the Magic Monk here. It's been probably 3 or 4 years since I last upgraded my computer, so it's probably time to do it again. I just want to show you what computer I bought and why didn't I just build a new one from scratch. Now this is the reason. So I saw this advertisement on a website called Oz Bargain and it says 7500F Ryzen CPU, 32 gigs of RAM, DDR5, 1 terabyte of M.2 SSD, 650 watts power supply for $848, but it's bring your own GPU. Now that's actually perfect for me because I'm happy with my graphics card. I don't play a lot of games unless it's on the Xbox. So this would be a pretty good computer for me to do video editing and things like that. So have a look at some of the conditions that this company Nebula PC offers. So it says guaranteed within 1 hour response time for email, live chat support, 3-year return to base warranty. So that's pretty good. All purchases. So that means that if I have problems with any of the parts and I didn't break it myself, then there should be a return to base warranty. PC are shipped, packaged carefully, no internals can move. Your PC is built with passion, blah, blah. So that's all really good. There's Google reviews. Let's see their Google review. 5-star reviews. That's crazy. That's really good. Okay, let's go back. Now, it says $848. Storm, 7500F BYO. Bring your own GPU. Bring your own graphics card. Let's look at the CPU. AMD Ryzen 5, 7500F. Now, I just want to compare that with what I have. Have a look at what I have. Intel Core i3 9100F. So compare i3 9100F to the AMD Ryzen 5 7500F. Have a look at the difference. So the one that I'm currently using was released in 2019. That's 5 years ago. And the one that I am upgrading to, Ryzen 5 7500F, was released last year. Okay, so that's not even 1 year ago. All right, released last year. And it's meant to be 29% faster than this old one. 29% faster. All right, better for gaming, better for desktop, better for workstation, better for everyone. All right, so faster memory, faster dual core, faster quad core, everything faster. More recent, faster. Okay, so obviously a much better CPU. Now look, it says superseded by Core i3 10th generation. So what I had was 9th generation. If I click this to go to 10th gen, this is still better. Still better than 10th gen. Okay, and then go to 12th gen, still better. Okay, so this one was released in 2022, so another year and a half earlier, and this is still better. So much better CPU. Let's look at the RAM. The RAM, it's 32 gig. Right now, I only have 16 gig. So I'm going to 32 gig. And it's DDR5 RAM, whereas I'm only on DDR4 RAM. And then it's 5200 megahertz. And I'm only on 1200 megahertz. So it's a huge difference. The RAM should be super fast. The SSD, it comes with 1 terabyte M.2 SSD, which is faster than my normal SSD, which is just a 1 terabyte normal SSD, not M.2. It's going to be a way better computer. Plus, my case has been making strange noises, so it's also going to get rid of that noise. Now, Why am I not building this myself? Okay, because in the past, I have always built my own computer. This is why. Have a look. I'm paying $848 for this computer. But if you scroll down, you will see that the same computer, if I just buy the parts, it's going to cost $951. All right. I buy all the parts separately from all of these different shops and I put them all together. I spent hours building it, $951. If I buy it all together, $848. All right. Why would you buy it from the shop? PC part picker part list. So that is the latest. All right, so this website you can use to put in all the parts separately, see if they're compatible. $947, slightly cheaper than this website because this was from a while ago, from nearly a month ago. So it's $3 or $4 cheaper, but it's still $940 something. Whereas I'm paying $848. Now there is a $50 delivery, but still cheaper than $951. So let's go to the PC part picker part list again. Okay, so you can see it says these parts have potential issues. So the details below. So it's just a warning saying that the BIOS version needs to be updated. BIOS needs to be updated to support the CPU. Now I'm assuming they would have done that before they sent me the computer. Hopefully I don't have to do that myself. But it's going to come assembled, pre-built with all this stuff that if I had bought the parts separately and put it together myself, I would be paying more. Now, the only thing it doesn't have is the graphics card, which I'm going to use my own. I've got my own here. I'm going to take it off my computer and put it on the new computer. So I'm just going to add my own video card. I'm going to put in the ASRock RX 6600 XT Challenger ITX. There you go. Add that. Yeah, there's no issues. No issues. So yeah, hopefully it should work. All right, somehow the graphics card is more than when I bought it for, which is funny because I bought this ages ago. Okay, so now I'm going to open up my computer. Stay tuned for the next video if you want to see me unbox this computer. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.